What is up, everybody? This is FNHL with a brand new video to talk about the Apple Beta program and how you can enroll in it to be essentially a part of the beta program. So Apple has actually expedited and made the process extremely simple than before. You don't even need iTunes or anything of the sort. You can literally do it from your phone's browser itself. And overall, it's an extremely cool feature. You'll be able to test out the new features. You can always revert back to the old iOS, so you never have to worry about that too much. And essentially, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up to it and what needs to be done to essentially go from there. And you're going to be seeing a lot of videos in the future regarding me testing the beta and basically giving you updates. Oh, look, this beta had this beta had this issue, do update. Go if you want a faster phone or a better battery, or don't update if it sucks and wait until they fix it, etc, etc, etc. There's essentially a beta update. You can enroll in anything. There's one for the watch as well as the phone itself. I'm sure there's one for the Mac and the tvOS, as it explains over here. We're going to be focusing heavily on the phone, maybe the watch. I do have the Apple Watch, but we'll go from there. Essentially, all you have to do is, once you sign up with the link in the description I have below, all you need to do is download the profile, which it tells you over here. Again, do this on a Safari browser, not a Chrome browser. It won't work. Once you have this downloaded, essentially go to your settings, go to general, and go to profile. It'll essentially tell you where is it. Oh, I believe it just downloaded. So actually, right here, sorry. So it'll essentially tell you to install the software. You'll put in your password if you have one. You'll accept all the agreements, and once that's done, it's going to tell you to restart your phone. This is the first time I've ever done this for other. I've never seen all the Tutu apps and other stuff. I've never asked me to restart my phone. And essentially, once you have your phone restarted, I quickly went to go to software update, and voila, the beta is there, public beta number 4. And as you can see, it'll tell you what it's supposed to be, what it's pertaining of, and what you're supposed to expect from this beta and whatnot. And overall, again, it's an extremely cool feature that you can obviously test out, go from there. You can literally read into what this is, what it's exactly giving you. Do you want to go forward? Do you not want to go forward? And essentially just go from there. Overall, I would recommend testing it out. If you want to test out the beta, you always get to see the newer features. You'll be able to firsthand witness them. And essentially, yeah. Overall, this is essentially how you get accepted to the beta program. Like I said, it's extremely easy. You don't even have to do anything crazy anymore like you had to back in the good old days. So, yeah, overall, I would highly recommend checking the link in the description, checking it out, and watching my future videos, essentially, because I'm going to have a lot of the different phases and discussing what the beta is providing, what it isn't providing, and essentially just go from there. So yeah, overall, if you like the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Other than that, FNH out. Peace.